Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I had a very interesting and very simple tutorial, and it's a Larksfoot crochet tutorial, and I will be using my 4mm hook and my acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we're going to make our basic slip knot. Okay, and we are going to chain multiple of 4 plus 2. Okay, so if you want longer, you can just count multiple of 4. Okay, and it's up to you guys if you want scarves, blanket, or anything. Okay, so it's multiple of 4 plus 2. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so for my tutorial, I think that will be okay. Okay, then we're going to add 2. Okay, and from here we're going to skip 3 chain. Okay, so 1 2 3. So in the first chain we're going to do our double crochet, and then to the next double crochet. Okay, so just like that, chain 1, and chain 1, skip 1, and to the next we're going to make our 3 single crochet in 3 double crochet in the next 3 chain. Okay, so as you can see, we have skip 1 there. Okay, and we are just going to continue this. Okay, chain 1, and then skip 1, and to the next 3 chain we're going to do our double crochet. Okay, and I will let you finish that, guys, and I will show you what to do next. Okay, so finish that until to the end. Okay, so finish that until the end, and I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I have done my first row. Okay, and we are going to chain 3. Okay, and then turn our work. Okay, so we are just going to, with our first 3 chain here, we're just going to put double crochet on top of our double crochet. Okay, so double crochet over double crochet, and then chain 1 over chain 1. Okay, and then chain 1, skip 1. Okay, and then double crochet. So we're just going to repeat that. Okay, so chain 1 with chain 1 there, so skip 1, and then on top of these 3 double crochet we're going to put 3 double crochet, so in a group of 3 as well. So what we have on the bottom is we will be doing the same on the top. Okay, so continue do that, guys. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Continue do that. Okay, so continue do that until to the end, and I will meet you when I get to the end. Guys, so I am done into my second row. Okay, so this part here, okay, this is my last chain. Okay, but I'm going to change my yarn into white. Okay, so I inserted my yarn, and I will chain 3. Sorry guys, so I will insert that there. Okay, and then chain 1, and in the same stitch I'm just going to seal that. Okay, and single crochet and then chain 2. Okay, and then plus 1, okay, for a chain 1. And then here is I'm going to skip this and go into work into the next double crochet. As you can see, there's a gap. Okay, and then in this chain 1 here I will be going to work this top here and just pull that out, and then complete your double crochet. And I'm going to double crochet on top of this double crochet there. So as you can see, guys, that how it looks like. Okay, so I will be doing that again. Okay, so here, okay, so in this chain 1 here in the middle, okay, I'm going to get that and then just pull it, okay, and complete my double crochet. And on top of here I'm going to do my double crochet so that it looks like. Okay, and then chain 1, skip 1, and the same thing. Okay, and then here and double crochet. So we will be working in multiple of 3 still. Okay, so chain 1, then skip 1, double crochet, and double crochet with a long one, and complete. So you just have to pull that up so it levels into your double crochet in the top. Okay, so chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, and double crochet and double crochet. I will show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, and just continue doing that. Chain 1, skip 1, and I will work with you until to the end. And skip 1, and this is our final, the last group of 3. And then chain 1, and we're going to insert into the last. Okay, so we have skip 1 and into the last. Okay, so we just skip that one, and then we're going to work this one here. Okay, so that is how it looks like. Okay, so from here chain 3, okay, plus 1. Okay, so we will be doing the same as what we did here. Okay, so we are just going to copy that. Okay, so we skip 1 there, and then double crochet on top of double crochet, and then chain 1, and then double crochet on top of double crochet. Okay, so we're just going to do like that until you finish that until to the end, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Guys, so I got here into my last, so now I'm going to change my yarn. Okay, and I will chain 1, and then in the same stitch I'm just going to seal that. Okay, and I will be working, okay, with mine. So 1 2 3. Okay, so that's chain 3, and then what we're going to do is work from here. It kind of tricky in this part. Okay, then this one here will be our double crochet, so that's our first. Then chain 1, skip 1, and then work into the middle, pull up, and okay, so as you can see guys, that how it looks like. Okay, so chain 1 and then skip 1. Okay, and the next, and complete the group, and you just have to continue that guys until you finish your project. Okay, so it will be just like a repetition. After this you have to complete. Okay, so on top of this you work what you have here, is you have to work the same. Okay, so I will show you guys. I will finish this guys, I will finish this, and I will one more time I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so here I will gonna show you, because this one is a little bit tricky. Okay, so because we do have there, so we are going to work here. Okay, so what we're going to do is just do the same. Okay, and then you just have to pull it out, and then you have to do into the top. So 1 2 3. Okay, so the third chain you're going to insert there and complete your double crochet. So as you can see guys, this is how it looks like. So after that, okay, we are going to chain 3 and then turn our work. So we have 3 groups here, so we will be just working on that pattern. Okay, so 3 double crochet and the next 3. Okay, on the 3 stitches, chain 1 and then double crochet in the next 3. So it's a group of 3. Okay, and you just have to continue that, and then if you want, you can stay. If you will be like me, I will be changing my color again into white, so I have that pattern. Okay, and I will let you continue guys, and I will show you what I have done. Okay, thank you very much guys. Okay, this is how you crochet, so I will show you in the thumbnail, okay, of what was my what will be my finished project. Okay, thank you very much guys, and thank you for all your support, and until to the next video, bye.